The deck and patio fly trap stick from Rescue comes with bird guards to keep wildlife protected. I'm going to walk you through the steps to assemble this for best results. The bird guards come within the center of the trap stick, and you'll just reach in, kind of wiggle them around to get them out. The tear strip allows you to open this cardboard wrap to keep the sticky surface protected. Now you'll take the bird guards, and they are held together by this twist tie that you'll use later to hang it with. The bird guards are nice and flexible plastic, and you'll want to start on one of the caps and insert it into the channels, and then just reach it across, and you want to hear an audible snap, and then you'll know it's nice and secure. You'll repeat this on the remaining 5 sides. So after the last one, you'll want to just check them all. Now that that's secure, you're ready to take your twist tie, loop it through one of the holes here on the edge of the cap, give it a little twist to make sure it's secure, and then loop it around to the other side and do the same thing. You are ready to hang it up outdoors and catch flies. Here at Rescue, we're always innovating and improving our products. Go to rescue.com for more helpful tips.